In this video, we'll show you how to download The Sims 4 on Mac. The instructions are similar for a Windows PC. We will show you how to download it from EA's distribution platform, Origin, where Electronic Arts games can be purchased and managed. First, go to origin.com. In order to play The Sims 4, an EA account will be needed. If you don't have one already, registering for one is simple. Click Register and follow the steps to create an account. Once your account is set up, click Download and click the Download option for Origin. Follow the installation steps. Open Origin. Once Origin is open, sign into your EA account. Then, go to Browse Games, go to The Sims, and choose The Sims 4. You'll be directed to the game's main page where you can purchase the game. After purchasing, go to My Game Library and choose The Sims 4. Click Download and choose where you would like to download the game. Follow the prompts. Once it's downloaded, click Play and you'll be able to play your digital copy.